Welcome to Smartphone Protection, Science for Kids. Today, Tanmay is here to help you discover how to keep your smartphone safe, just like a brave scientist cares for precious experiments. What is a smartphone? Think of your smartphone as a tiny, powerful lab you can hold in your hand. It's like a mini computer where you do homework, play games, chat with friends, and explore the world. Amazing, right? But just like any lab, it needs to stay safe and clean. Apps, games, and internet adventures. Apps and games are like helpful science tools. The internet is your gateway to exciting information. But if you're not careful, some tools can break, and some internet doors may lead to dark, unexplored rooms. Unknown. Apps and suspicious pop-ups. Danger zone. Never install unknown apps or click on suspicious pop-ups. Imagine them as jars with invisible germs. If you open them, those germs might spread trouble in your phone lab and steal your secret formulas. Meet the malware monsters. Malware is like tiny digital viruses. Picture them as colorful, bouncing germs that sneak inside your phone, searching for valuable experiments. Grab your shield. Only safe apps from trusted stores are allowed inside your lab. Building your safety suit, screen locks. Your phone's screen lock and password are your safety suit. They keep sneaky intruders away from your lab. Use strong passwords, secret patterns, or even your fingerprints to lock your phone, just like a superhero suit protects your identity. Don't share with strangers or post secrets. Imagine posting personal things online or handing your phone to a stranger. You wouldn't let someone you don't know mess with your laboratory, would you? Share your phone only with trusted family, and never share personal content with strangers. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location, invisible gates. Keeping Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or location always on is like leaving the lab door wide open. Bad things might come in when nobody's watching. Turn them off when not needed, so only safe visitors can enter. Smart habits for scientists. Update your apps regularly. They are science upgrades that patch cracks in your lab walls. Avoid charging your phone at public stations because unknown chargers might have malware. Always ask your parents before downloading anything. They're your chief scientists. Protection tools, shields, and secure labs. Think of all these safety steps as your science shields and lab security doors. With strong passwords, safe habits, and wise choices, your phone stays as protected as secret blueprints in a high-tech lab. Be a digital scientist. Great scientists like you keep their digital world safe. Remember, a protected smartphone is a happy smartphone. Stay curious, stay safe, and let Tanmay's science shields guard your digital lab always.